What if, no matter what you do, people still say you're wrong? One hot afternoon, a father named Thomas walked along a dusty road with his young son Ethan. Between them walked a small donkey. Thomas sat on the donkey while Ethan walked beside him. The sun was strong. The road was long. Ethan tried to keep up without complaining. A stranger saw them and shook his head. "What a terrible father," he said. "The boy is tired. And you ride comfortably?" Thomas felt ashamed. He got off the donkey. "Ethan, you ride," he said. Now Ethan rode the donkey, and Thomas walked. Soon another man laughed. "What kind of son are you? Your father walks, and you sit like a king." Ethan felt embarrassed. "Dad, please sit with me," Ethan said. So both of them rode the donkey. They thought, this must be right. But then a woman shouted at them, "Shame on you! That poor donkey is suffering. You're too heavy!" Thomas and Ethan looked at each other. They quickly got off. Now they both walked. The donkey followed behind, but soon another man laughed loudly. "You have a donkey, and you don't use it? What fools!" Thomas stopped. He took a deep breath. Then he turned to his son. "No matter what we do, someone will criticize us. If I ride, I'm wrong. If you ride, you're wrong. If we both ride, we're cruel. If we both walk, we're foolish." He smiled gently. "So, what should we do?" No one answered. Thomas placed his hand on Ethan's shoulder. "From now on, we decide for ourselves. We won't follow every opinion, because they are not living our life. No matter what you do, people will always judge you. So live your life, your way." If this story made you think, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English stories.